Hi besties, welcome back to my space on the internet. Please consider hitting the subscribe button below to be an awesome part of this family. You can also click on the thanks and the join button to have access to exclusive perks that are meant only for my besties here on this space. In this video, as you can already tell from the title and the thumbnail already, we are going to be reviewing this snail gel that has been gaining a lot of traction recently. So if you have been looking for something to help you take care of sunburn, or to brighten your dull skin, or to even promote healing on your skin, okay, and you want something that you can use on a regular basis that will give you the results that you want. And now keyword is on budget friendly and affordable. For adventure you cannot afford snail mucins from most of these high-end brands, then this is a very good alternative. Now, of course, I'm always going to give credit to whom credit is due. I first stumbled upon this product on T Nosike's page, yes, when she was talking about it, amidst other skincare products that she uses in her skincare routine. And it kind of had a lot of good reviews. So I said, you know what, since I'm about to go and shop for my new skincare products, why don't I just, my love, just go ahead and give this a try. Even if, okay, the one she used in her video was the Soothing and Moisture Snail Gel, this one I'm using is by Luenco, and honestly it has been doing the job. I didn't even notice, okay, until recently, that the snail gel I had was not soothing and moisture, because it is doing amazing. It is really doing the job, okay, for which I bought it. So my money didn't always. So now let's talk about this bottle. First of all, you guys, I love the color. This was one of the reasons why I picked it. I was torn between picking this and the tomato gel, and this one just kind of felt cute and fancy. Has this pinkish, I hope that's what it's called, what's the color is called, has this pinkish color that is so cute, and you can literally see the bubbles of the snail gel in it, okay, which tells me that it is sort of authentic and has a reasonable quantity of the snail gel in it. Guys, now what does this product says it's supposed to do? It says it is a snail repair condensation for acne and ease. It is an after sun repair as well that will moderately repair your skin after basking in the sun and moisten your skin to promote healing and smooth, clean skin. It also dredges your pores and moisturizes the skin to improve the uncomfortable feeling caused by acne. And let me tell you, you guys, this is a soothing gel, and it is soothing in every sense of the word. When I got it alongside the aloe vera gel. I began to experience some reactions, which I'm going to talk about when I am reviewing the aloe vera gel. If you would like a review of that, let me know in the comment section below. I started using it, and off of the very first day that I applied it on my face, you guys, it felt so good. It felt so freaking good on the skin. It was like, this thing where they carried a lot of, let me speak it in Igbo, okay? Otos when mirror you warm mother now, like when you've been under the sun for a very long time, okay, or the weather has been hot, and then you pour cold water on your body. That calmness, that ease, that soothing feeling that you get was exactly the first impression I had when I used this. And immediately I felt like that. I knew that, girl, you're gonna keep using this. If care is not taken, you're going to have to restock this. And I'm telling you the truth. You can see how far I've gone already. I'm almost halfway through it. Okay, I'm definitely going to restock this again. This is definitely a staple that you should have in your house, okay, my loves. Now, when I started using it initially, I started using it as my moisturizer. I stopped any other thing I was using on my face. As soon as I finished cleansing my face, the next thing I went in with was this, and it was doing amazing for me, okay. But I noticed that when I use the gel in I would use the aloe vera gel in the morning and then come back in the night and make use of this before going to bed. When I go out and come back, my skin began to feel a bit more irritated, so I had to stop the aloe vera gel. I'm going to go into more details in a separate video about everything, okay, my experience and all that I have heard, okay, and I've confirmed about the aloe vera soothing and moisture gel. But when I began to notice that, I stopped using that one immediately, and I switched to using this 2 times a day, in the morning and at night. And you guys, hey, can you not see how my skin is glowing? Okay, aside from the shine that you can see, literally, you guys, I didn't use it today because I just finished filming, okay, for a brand, right, that you're going to find out very soon. You must have already seen it. I unboxed this package, okay, in like 2 or 3 videos behind. You might want to go and check it out. I'm going to leave you linked in the cards here or here for you to see, or even in the description area, so that you can check it out as soon as you're done watching this video. So that is the reason behind this glow this morning. But you guys, aside the glow, can you see my skin? I have been using this. I'm telling you that I have not been using any niacinamide or any other thing, but this thing has also sort of been helping to not just clear out my pores, but it has been tightening my pores to a significant extent that I really, really, really love. You guys, let's look at the texture. It is not very thick, like too thick, but it is thick enough. Okay, you guys, you can tell that it is a snail gel. It is actually thicker than the aloe vera gel. You can see, you guys, it's not running. Okay, and it comes in this gel formula, and I love, you guys, that it absorbs immediately and leaves your skin feeling shiny. Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see how it's glowing in the sun? Okay, you guys, look at the difference between where I applied it and where I didn't apply it. Can you see the difference? And this leaves your skin actually feeling very hydrated all through the day. So whether you have an oily skin, or you have a dry skin, or you have a sensitive skin, this particular gel is perfect, okay, for you. Side effects, like I've already been saying, honestly haven't noticed any side effects. This product has been working for me just fine. I love the smell. It has this soft, flowery smell. If you know this talc powder, okay, that always has this, perfumed, flowery smell. It just has that kind of smell, okay, you guys. And the smell is so sweet. Okay, the more reason I always look forward to coming back to apply this particular gel to my face. Even if it says it's 100% snail, you guys. But honestly, you guys, I can see tons of other things, products, okay, that were used, including castor oil. So I don't know how this is 100% snail, but it is definitely working for me, you guys. So if you've been having second thoughts about using this, then this is fine. Even if you can afford, snail mucins from like the advanced skincare or any other skincare brand, this is something you want to keep around you, that you can move around with. Or even when you are out on your regular snail mucin and you cannot find it yet, this is actually a very good alternative. You can even switch between the both of them. I mean, when they say affordable but super effective, this is one go, you guys. This is the only moisturizer I have been using. However, I did find that if you really want that glow from your skin, you want your skin to be popping, you want all the dullness to disappear from your skin, as you can see on my face that is glowing and shining, you would have to pair this with your regular moisturizer. Now, when I say with your regular moisturizer, of course, you know that your cleanser is very important. I use a salicylic acid cleanser for someone who is acne prone, of course, to help me control the production of oil on my face and all that good stuff. You want a good cleanser that can contain your treatment and all whatnot. If you want to use a serum, fine, but this is what I do in my routine. Like I said, I use my salicylic acid cleanser, and then I go in with this as my moisturizer, okay, in the base. And then I use my regular moisturizer, the moisturizer I've always been using. Don't ask me what it is, because I'm not going to tell you. If you want to know what moisturizer I'm currently using, scroll down my channel. You're going to find a video where I shared my morning and nighttime skincare routine. All right, you guys, you're going to find it there, so go and check it out. Go and check it out. Yeah, so I apply that, lotion to also help lock in the moisture and hydration that this is giving me, so it keeps my skin safe all through the day, and it also suits my skin even further at night when I go to bed. You guys, this is one of the best things to have happened to me this year when it comes to skincare. In fact, since I started my skincare journey 2 to 3 years ago, this is the best thing that has happened to me. So am I endorsing it? Yes, for the very first time on this channel, I'm coming boldly to say I endorse this. You guys, go and get it. Go and get it. It is amazing. It is awesome. If you want me to get it for you, let me know in the comment section below. Hit me up in my Instagram page at simplysugar44, and I'm going to be making it happen for you, okay, you guys. But I'm sure that you can get this in a drugstore anywhere around you. For the pricing, this cost me about what? I know it didn't cost up to 3,000. Okay, this cost 3,000 naira. The aloe vera gel cost 2,500 naira, but this cost me 3,000 naira. That's just like about one point something dollars, or a dollar and some few cents, or just $2 basically, right? So it's not very expensive. It's really, really affordable, and it's long lasting. I mean, I've been using it, you guys, for almost a month now, or more than a month. I started using it in August. I've been using it for more than a month now, morning and night, and I use it generously. And this is what I have left. Okay, you can see how far it goes. So it is going to last you a while. depending on how you use it. Of course, there are people who have said they also use it on other parts of their body, but honestly I have not done that. I use it on my face and on my neck, and you can see how even toned my skin is. That of course brings more to the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Did you find it helpful? Please let me know in the comment section below. And of course, till I come your way next time in my very next pretty video, catch up on my other videos and stay lifted, stay blessed, stay inspired. Don't you ever forget that sugar loves you. Bye.